In the heart of Pakistan, from the bustling streets of Lahore with its historical Badshahi Mosque to the serene valleys of Gilgit-Baltistan, there lies a topic often whispered but seldom discussed openly: sexual disorders. Today, we embark on a journey through the diverse landscapes and cultures of Pakistan to shed light on this sensitive subject. Every corner of Pakistan, from the vibrant markets of Karachi to the tranquil terrains of Balochistan, holds stories of individuals grappling with sexual disorders. These aren't mere medical terminologies but real-life challenges, deeply rooted in our societal fabric, cultural norms, and religious beliefs. They echo in the hushed conversations of households and the silent sufferings of many. The DSM-5, though originating from the West, finds relevance even in the households of Pakistan. Sexual dysfunctions. Consider Samir, a diligent banker from Islamabad. His struggles with erectile disorder aren't just about the physical aspect, they're intertwined with societal expectations, marital pressures, and personal self-worth. On the other hand, Aisha, a dedicated teacher from Multan, grapples with diminished sexual desire post-childbirth, a topic rarely broached in our society. Paraphilic disorders. These disorders, while less spoken about, exist in the shadows. The societal stigma attached to them is palpable, making open discussions and seeking help a challenge. Gender dysphoria, the plight of individuals like Hina, a brave transgender activist from Karachi, brings to light the daily battles faced by the Khawaja Sira community. Their quest for acceptance and identity in a society bound by traditional norms is both heart-wrenching and inspiring. ICD-11's take in a Pakistani context. The ICD-11, with its global lens, resonates with the intricate tapestry of Pakistani society. Sexual dysfunctions. The ICD-11 recognizes the profound impact of societal pressures, such as the emphasis on virility and fertility, the sanctity of marriage, and the often unspoken expectations within marital chambers. Paraphilic disorders. In Pakistan's context, it's crucial to tread carefully, differentiating between cultural norms, personal choices, and genuine disorders. The line is often blurred, making diagnosis and treatment a delicate process. Gender incongruence. The ICD-11's progressive stance finds resonance in Pakistan's evolving legal and societal landscape, especially with the recent strides in transgender rights and recognition. The importance of diagnosis in Pakistan. In the bustling clinics of Lahore to the remote villages of Sindh, the quest for a correct diagnosis is akin to finding a beacon in the dark. It's not just about medical labels, it's about validation, understanding, and setting forth on a path to healing. Treatment approaches in Pakistan. Therapy. From the wisdom of traditional hakims in Punjab's villages to the modern psychotherapists in Islamabad's urban centers, the therapeutic landscape is diverse. It's a blend of age-old remedies, counseling sessions, and holistic healing. Medication. The bustling pharmacies of Karachi offer a range of medicines, from herbal concoctions to modern tablets. The choice often lies at the crossroads of tradition and modernity. Education. The winds of change are evident. Seminars in universities in Lahore, community workshops in Quetta, and grassroots campaigns in rural Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are slowly but steadily breaking barriers, sowing seeds of awareness and understanding. Conclusion. Pakistan, a land of contrasts, from its majestic mountains to its sprawling cities, offers a unique lens to view sexual disorders. It's a journey of challenges, resilience, and hope. As the Indus River flows, nourishing the lands, so does the hope that with understanding and empathy, we can usher in a new era of awareness and acceptance.